In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a message in Slack. If you've ever lost track of an important update or action item in a busy channel, bookmarking a message is the fastest way to keep it close at hand. We'll start right from the web, then I'll show you exactly where to find what you saved so you can act on it later without digging through endless threads. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then click through to Slack's website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your workspace. Once Slack loads, you'll land in the main interface where your channels and direct messages are listed on the left. Open a channel where the conversation is happening. This could be any team space or project channel you use regularly. Give the channel a second to load recent messages so everything is visible. Now choose the message you want to bookmark or save. This might be a deadline, a link you need to revisit, or a task someone assigned to you. Hover over that message to reveal the quick action icons. Click the bookmark or save icon to add it to your list for later. Depending on your view, it may say Save or Save for Later, and you'll usually see a small confirmation that the message was added. If you change your mind, clicking the same icon again will remove it. When you're ready to find what you saved, look to the left sidebar. Click More to expand additional views. From there, click Later. This opens a dedicated space that collects everything you've saved. You'll see your bookmarked messages organized in one place, making it easy to review, prioritize, or jump straight back to the original conversation. Click any saved item to open the thread, follow up, or mark it as done by unsaving it. A few quick tips to keep you efficient. Saving a message is personal to you, so it won't notify the channel or change the message for anyone else. It's different from pinning, which highlights items for an entire channel. Saving is your private to-do list. The later view is available in both the browser and the desktop app, so your saved items stay synced across devices. And if you don't see the bookmark icon right away, hovering over the message usually makes it appear. That's all there is to it. You've opened Slack, found the right channel, saved a message, and located it again under More, then Later. Use this workflow to keep important information at your fingertips and move through your day with fewer tabs and less scrolling.